COP26, the leaders of the world will gather here in Glasgow, agree to accelerate global action to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees. But what difference does a few degrees of warming make? What would the consequences be if we allowed the world to warm by 2, 3 or even as much as 4 degrees as some projections predict by the end of the century?
And what the data here really nicely shows is as we enter the warming event, we actually see a decrease in the ratio of boron to calcium. And what that really just means is we're seeing an increase in ocean acidity, so ocean acidification is taking place. And we also see that it stays quite low. We've got a prolonged period of acidification, and it only starts to recover here as we start to cool. So it really kind of highlights that simple chemistry of increased CO2 consequences will be ocean acidification, and we can see this nicely in the geological past. And it's something that if we go down certain pathways of high CO2, it will happen again.
The geological record shows us the consequences of a high CO2 warmer world. However, unlike the dinosaurs, we still have time to turn things around. We know the problem and we know the solution. Now more than ever, it is clear to see that humanity has become a geological force, but one with a conscience. Our actions here today and the decisions made here at COP26 will help determine the future climate for future generations. The fate of our climate future now solely rests in our hands.